Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix low call volume on iPhone 14 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on sounds and haptics. Now from here, adjust your call volume. If you have turned the volume down from here, you will face difficulty in low call volume. So increase volume. And after that, if it doesn't fix your problem, then if you have connected to AirPods or headphones, then turn off their noise cancellation. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general. Now here click on software update, and from here check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to latest iOS version, then update it, and after updating restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, press the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to power off your iPhone and then restart your iPhone. And after that, your low call volume problem will be fixed. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, then contact Apple support. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.